Well, years ago, I actually worked for a company in Minneapolis, St. Paul in Minnesota. That's where I was raised. The company was called Bituminous Roadways Incorporated, and it was very much like the construction division of Graniterock. And I had only been with them for several months and wanted to make a good impression. So my job duty one morning was to get to the yard early, pick up a 5-yard dump truck and a small towable asphalt roller. So I showed up at the yard. I was the only one there initially, and the roller was loaded improperly. So instead of the tongue of the trailer being on the ground, the tongue was raised in the air because the roller had been actually put on the trailer backwards. So I was obviously wanting to make a good impression, as I said. The mechanic showed up and he convinced me that we could actually get our weight on the tongue of the trailer and attach it to the 5-yard hitch. And it should be no problem, that I can actually tow it down the road going that way. So both of us got on the tongue of the trailer, all of our weight, pushed it down, and got it attached to the 5-yard truck. I actually just put on a brand new pair of leather gloves that morning, which was really a great thing that happened because it probably saved my thumb. So I reached down and I grabbed onto the apron of the 5-yard on the back and went to flip up the safety chain. And as I did that, it actually released the hitch, and the tongue slammed up underneath the apron and it smashed my thumb. It fractured it, and I had 27 stitches that actually held the tip of my thumb back onto my hand. It could have been a lot worse. It could have actually smashed all my fingers, my palm, could have really destroyed my left hand. And obviously, SafeStart applies. I was frustrated, I was rushing, I wasn't fatigued because it was early in the morning, but wanting to make that good impression and get on the job as early as I needed to, I went ahead and did the wrong thing with that trailer, and it almost cost me my left hand.